everybody, Byron and Candace here with B Diamond Leather. So we have a fun week planned for this week.
We do.
But there's not a lot going on at the same time. So I'm going to be working on a custom gun scabbard that we are going to be doing for a customer. And I know we won't finish it this week, but we are going to at least get it started. And then also we have a van and / chopper show that we're going to in the Violator.
We are.
And it's going to be a rad week. And the reason I know it's going to be a rad week, it's because it is...
Monday.
It's what? Monday. It's Monday, the day that we upload our leather videos. Well, I'm Byron.
I'm Candace.
Oh wait, did you have something else?
There's a big dog that's been interrupting us the whole time.
It's true. And this is Dozer.
Sit.
And as you guys know, Odin with his new fresh cut.
Oh yeah.
Running around some house slippers on and a fro. And this is Dozer. But let's get into something rad, everybody. So I didn't film the first part of the making of the actual pattern of this scabbard, but this is a scabbard that we're making for a custom rifle. And right now I'm just going through it and lining it. But halfway through it, I'm like, oh dang, this might be a good idea to film this for our Monday videos. So right now I'm lining it for my stitch line. And then I'm gonna double line it after my stitch line so that, well, that's what the customer wanted. So there's my first line. Now I have to go around and I need to adjust this. Let's see. I want my second line just a little bit above it, so it's going to be where that dot is. And then I'll do a third line with this. All right. So there's my second line. You can see it underneath the strain that it's making. And now we're just going to go around this whole entire scabbard. And once we're done with this, of doing the lines all the way around them, the decorative lines, then I'm going to go in and we're going to tool some border stamps on it. So you guys will get to see how to do some stamping. Oh man, that for some reason that reminded me of the Eminem movie 8 Mile, when he talks about, he's rapping about Detroit stamping.
Is that where he talks about throwing up spaghetti?
No.
His mom's spaghetti.
He doesn't talk about throwing up mom's spaghetti. It's when Vanessa from Detroit Stampin' was rapping out at the food truck. And then I can't remember, it's an actual rapper. Chimes in, and then Eminem schools that guy. And he said, "You've been here so long at the plant that you're a plant." But he talks about Detroit stamping.
Well, dang.
All right, this is kind of boring, so we will be back.
Do it.
In 2 and 2.
Ah.
All right, so we've triple lined this. One's our stitch, one's our double line, and one's our first line, one's our double line, but that's a stitch line. Now I've been going around and I'm doing the border that the customer wanted. With this particular border, this border's not as easy because it's almost an upside down teardrop shape. So I touch, like you can see, let me pull out a pointer. I try to touch this part of the stamp to the opposite side of where I just stamped. And so that's kind of where I do it, and I hover right above the line so that it still gives a little bit of texture there And then you're just going to go down the line. The most important part when setting a border stamp is just to be consistent. Be as consistent as you possibly can with placement and how hard you're hitting your stamp. What is up, everybody? We're down here at this rad van and chopper show. There's everything from vintage vans to vintage choppers, and it's a pretty rad crowd. Everybody's having a good time and we're getting along. Make sure that you leave a comment about what you think's the raddest van. We'll post a video of this whole show and then you'll be able to see what we're doing down here. Also, the Violator is down here. We got our daughter Chloe and her boyfriend Olin's van with us.
We got Mac in the house.
We have another one of our members out of Salt Lake, Josh, and his van, and then just a bunch of rad vans. So you're gonna be bummed out you didn't show up to this. Make sure you check it out, and I'll try to tag a link to this show in the description of the video. Okay, everybody, we're having a rad day.
This is an Unlucky Ones van. This is Josh in the Salt Lake chapter. Rad tiki theme. We're about to see. At the Violator. It's been raining, so we have teenager shenanigan back here. The inside of our van.
I've driven that drive so many times.
At the van show. It's been raining. It's about 50 degrees. Best way to show. Hey.
I think I know what it is because there's a wheel speed sensor thing.
There's Josh, Salt Lake chapter. Oh yeah, got the 4-wheel tires. Digging that. Incoming. Hey Mac, can I get the inside of your van? Woo, thanks girl. I love the Pegasus.
So we got about halfway, 80% done on the Scabbard. In our next video, we'll show it all finished up. And then we also had a rad time.
We went to a van and chopper show, and it's not just a van show. The Violator was there.
The Violator was there violating people.
Yeah, and the van was there too, so that's fun.
But it was a good time. We met a bunch of rad people.
Yeah, again.
Yeah, other YouTubers and other Instagrammers.
Yes, made rad friends.
Yep.
And again, there was horrible weather. That's always fun.
It's true. It rained on us pretty much the whole time. But it was a good time, I thought, anyways.
No, that's when you know you're hardcore.
True.
If you show up in the rain, you're down to van
That is true.
and chopper.
If you're down to van, you're down for a lot of stuff. And, you know, we understand this video is not the longest video we've done, but hopefully you got good content out of it. Hopefully you got something rad out of this video. We hope that our videos are hitting home with you and putting a smile on your face. We enjoy doing them for you guys.
Yep.
But with that being said, I'm Byron.
I'm Candace.
Have a rad week, everybody. See you next week.
Everything that happens is motivation.
If you did, please pound that like button
Oh, that's not, don't do that. Do that.
on the pound
Yes,
button.
On the pound button.
Yep, and or not the pound button. No, we're gonna start that over because we were both totally wrong.
I don't even know.
Yeah.
Smash the